Email Marketing Revolution. Video number 6, Email Deliverability Strategies. A. How to keep your email out of the spam box. Let's look at what spam is, how spam filters and firewalls work, and some of the steps you can take to avoid being flagged. Spam. Spam is unsolicited, irrelevant email sent in bulk to a list of people. It poorly reflects the deliverability rates. Spam filters. Spam filters judge the spamminess of an email. They'll weigh each factor and add them up to assign a spam score, which helps determine whether a campaign will pass through the filter. Email firewalls. A lot like spam filters, they're designed to regulate incoming email based on a set of rules that have been established by the email server. Tips and best practices. The following tips can help you prevent spam complaints as you start sending email to subscribers. Choose your opt-in method wisely. Consider your audience and the applicable legal requirements in your area to determine which opt-in method is right for you. Don't use purchase, rented, or scrape lists. Sending to such a list can impact your ability to market your business, potentially damage your brand, and even result in legal ramifications. Don't assume that you have permission. Do not send promotional email without getting permission first. Set expectations when people join your list. Tell people what you'll be sending and how often you'll be sending it. Don't wait too long before contacting your subscribers. Lists with a lot of stale addresses can lead to high rates of bounces, spam complaints, and unsubscribes. Don't hide the unsubscribe, opt-out link in your campaigns. The Can Spam Act requires that an unsubscribe link be present in every campaign that you use. Send your customers a personal email message requesting that they whitelist your domain so that your business emails don't get filtered into spam. Check to make sure that your email authentication is enabled. Spammers can spoof email coming from your domain, which will cause you to get blacklisted even though you're not sending emails. Examine your email bonuses. If you're being listed on a server that you may not be aware of, then you should investigate the reason for the bounce. Build your own reputation. The best thing you can do for your long-term success with email is to get a private IP address. Link right. Make your links have a real anchor text that isn't a URL. So instead of linking a domain name, use words like visit my site and link those to look less suspicious to spam filters. Code right. When coding an email, avoid copy and paste from Microsoft Word. Use an email editor or else a simple text editor like Notepad. Affiliate management. Always handpick your affiliates before you let them promote your goodies. Put all incoming affiliates through a screening process. Conclusion. Ultimately, follow these practices to control those factors that may lead your domain or email as being labeled as a spam. Thank you. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next video.